Now we will demonstrate how to scan intraorally for a completely edentulous patient. We will begin scanning in the posterior of the mouth over the ridge. And it is important throughout this entire process to keep the wand moving. We don't want to let it stay in one spot very long, mainly because that picks up too much data, and that's usually a bad thing. There gets a lot of redundant data, and it makes it harder for everything to stitch together. So you can see how she is just rolling the wand as it loses its place. She moves it back to a spot that it's already had and proceeds with rolling it back and forth. She's on the palate now, which is always going to be the hardest area to pick up. And so you see where we go back to an area that's already been scanned, let it pick that up, stop, take a look at it, see where we need to gather more information, like in the palate, just a little bit more. We're scanning that, starting on an area that's already been scanned. We go back to the palate, pick that up, look, check, see, did we get everything that we need to get for this? I may want to get that vestibule just a little bit more right there, I think. It's very important to get as much of the vestibule as we can so that when we get our next step, the denture is going to fit as well as possible. And there you can see that we're getting the vestibule very nicely. And she's continuing to move the wand, not stay in one place at all, never hovering over one spot. And that looks like a pretty good impression right there. And these principles will hold true for pretty much any scanning system. It's just different software.